Hi everybody. I just wanted to pop on and show you all what came in my winter Walmart beauty box. This beauty box is $7 a month, or you can say it's free and you pay $7 shipping to receive it. It comes with a card that shows you what's in here. First thing I see is from e.l.f. This is a lip exfoliator. It says brown sugar, so I'm guessing it's a sugar scrub for your lips. I have to open the other end. Alright. There it is. I feel a little bit of sugar, a little bit of graininess. This smells just like brown sugar. It smells delicious. Okay. So we got that. And from CoverGirl, we have the Perfect Point Plus Ink Gel Eye Pencil. And this looks to be a black eyeliner. Let's take a look. Oh, it has a smudger on the end. This is like, feels like silicone. Okay, that's nice. Oh, it's creamy, smooth. All right. So we got the ink liner. And from Aveeno, we got the Daily Moisturizing Body Lotion. That feels nice. It's unscented. If it does have a scent, it's very faint. Okay, like that. And then from EOS, we have Shea Butter Hand Cream, Vanilla Cashmere. That's great. I go through a lot of hand cream. It has a seal on it, so I'll keep it sealed until I'm ready to use it, because I have a couple of hand creams open right now, as a matter of fact. And then the final thing is this. It's a Tangle Teezer Detangling Hairbrush for hair that's straight to curly. I guess that's what it means. Let's take this out. I just bought a detangling brush from Shein. But that's okay, because now I can keep one of them in my bathroom, because the one that I bought travels from my bathroom to my daughter's bathroom and back. We've been sharing it. So now, if this one works just as well, we won't have to share. Okay. So that's everything that came in the Walmart beauty box. Thank you for watching. Bye.